In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upgrade plans on Google Drive. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Let's say, as an example, you're going to use Opera or Google Chrome or Firefox or, I don't know, Microsoft Edge or even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So once you go and open that browser that you have, go to this URL section and simply type google.com/drive and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page directly, which is the home screen or the main screen of Google Drive. So if you have an account, make sure to go and click at the top right corner option sign in. And once you click on it, they will take you to this page if you already try to sign in before. If you don't even have an account, you can click on try Drive for work or sign up at no cost, as you can see, if you don't have an account. If you click on it, as you can see, you can use for my personal use or for work or my business. Choose whatever suits you. Let's say, as an example, for my personal use. So here you can simply enter your name, your last name, and etc. Anyway, and fill the other informations until you find yourself with your account. So once you signed in or sign up into your account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or main screen on Google Drive. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to upgrade plans on Google Drive. And of course, if you want to do that, go to this left panel and click on Get More Storage because as you can see, we have just 15 gigabytes per account. So if I want to get more storage, click on it. That will open this new pop-out for you. As you can see, you will have this 4 options. We will have 100 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, and 2 terabytes. Of course, each one of them comes with its own features, so read that carefully. Of course, there's the monthly and annually. Annually one will save us 70% or 17%. And once you choose whatever you want, click on Get Started, and you'll have to agree on this, then get your card, then pay, and you will be good to go. So that will actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.